The source is gonna break you before he makes you. He's gonna break you into the person that you should be. He's gonna break you from the things that you shaped yourself into, the old mindset of the surrounding of your environment. He's gonna place you in the right places at the right moment. He's gonna give you ideas that will shape you into the person that you should be. But to allow the source to come in and give you those ideas, to set the plans before your life and your light, and to be the narrator and the captain of your ship, you must let go. You must let go and allow the source to allow your truth to be unfold. But for your truth to be unfold, you have to open up your book to see the direction that he's taking you. Because this world that we see is our book. It is our movie. And we just walking through the scenes, and we just walking through the chapters of our life. But for us to see those, our whole full truth, we have to let go of the past lies that and illusions that we put ourselves in, the box of the matrix, I will call it, because it's the box of the matrix that keeps us stagnant, that we put ourselves to the mindset thinking that we should be in this place, shaping our lives in a place that we think we should be in. But once we let go and be in love and harmony and unity, like I talked yesterday in my last video, go check that out if you see it, because it's plain being in love and unity, and that's how we evolve. And once we let go and love and just allow the Creator to take over our whole being, then we see ourselves as God, because our whole image will be living in the source image, and we will be creators. We'll be sons and daughters of the Most High, and we will shine as a sun. We will be a light like the sun. We will be a child of the source and children of the source. So we have to do that. We have to allow the source to be our narrator and our director and our paths, so we can see the whole movie unfold and be told of our truth, and allow our books to be told in our chapters of our truth. So allow the source to be your narrator and your director and guide you to the right places. Allow the source to break the story and tear up the story that you wrote for yourself, and allow him to tell the truth for you, that it knows that what is best for you.